Next song is a beautiful song written by Keith Haugen and his wife Carmen, and it's a song that I recorded with a young lady by the name of Brittany Paiva from Hilo, from the Big Island. I'm on her recording, and it's called Puakarauna, and it's about the crown flower. Talks about Lili'uokalani, how she loved the crown flower. So this song was written especially for her by Keith Haugen on her anniversary or birthday. I think it was her birthday. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It was a celebration, okay? But anyway, I want to tell you that when I was about 16 years old, my voice was much higher. In fact, I just received a cassette. I found it in all of my junks because someone gave it to me years ago. And they recorded my voice when I was 16 in high school. And so I was singing in falsetto, well, the high voice, yeah? Men sing falsetto, women sing in high voices, okay? But anyway, but this is a song, I hope you like it. I'm gonna try and sing it for you this morning. Is it afternoon already? Morning for us. I just got on.